Ladies and gentlemen, Whitley Green. Hi guys, welcome back. I'm in Menards looking for pot saucers. I'm also interested in getting these self-watering pots. Let's take a look at the price. Wait a minute. Oh, no. Not for $59.99. Let me stick to what I know. I'll get the pot saucers and I'll keep it moving. These are very cheap. I like cheap. I need some Blackwell mulch. I know I don't have enough at home. I got to pick up some peat moss too. Heads up, guys. When you go back to your cars and you see these cards on your windows, don't be so quick to touch them. You never know what somebody did to them. We're back. Okay, I'm going to add the mulch to the mulch bed. I want to put some seeds down too. I'm going to put some seeds down. Not all over that area. Not so much over there. Man, that storm really messed me over. My God, Mother Nature wasn't kind to me. I'm still thankful. Free water, and it's going to help my plants grow just like this salvia right here. You see the benefit of having fresh mulch. It's like a complete transformation. It's like night and day. And I really like this brand from Menards. I stand by it. Don't get me wrong, I like the Scott's brand that you find in Home Depot. My issue is you get less for about the same price as the one from Menards, and there's always mold in the bags more often than not. And I think it's because of the way that they store the bags during the season. So what ends up happening is I go to Home Depot because it's closer. I'll grab a couple bags, but I have to dig through so many of those bags to get the right ones. In the end, though, it's all worth it. You got to take the good with the bad. As you can see, that mulch really helps enhance your landscape, and this is beautiful. Moving right along, I'll add seeds to this front area. You know, I've been walking on the grass so much, I damaged it. It's hot, it's stressed. So I want to do something. I want to add seeds from this expansion joint to that one, and all the way down there and all the way down here, like a big rectangle. Some of you know I use a garden weasel to aerate the soil, so to speak. It helps. Real easy to use. I recommend it if you don't have all those expensive tools the experts use. You know what I mean? Time to get the bad stuff up. I usually use my 14-time rake. Wait a minute. Let me keep my eye on this truck. Hold on. No political commentary. Okay, let's continue. Pick some weeds up. I do that by hand. I don't want to mix seeds and weeds, you know what I mean? Wait a minute, somebody's waving. Hey, they might know about the channel. All right, finish that phase. It's going to really help when it comes to growing the seeds. Time to put down the soil. Nothing like adding rich soil to these bad areas. Much better, much better. It's going to help the seeds grow. Make sure you give them a nice bed to sit in. They need to make contact with the soil. This is great. This is what you want to see. I use my favorite Scott Sun and Shade mix, rake them in. Trust me, guys, rake them in with the Trooper here. Oh, yeah, you know my style. Don't forget, we recurved this edger, so I have to add some seeds in this area, too. Looks real good. We can move forward with the peat moss now. You guys don't need me to show you how to put peat moss down, do you? It's nothing to it. You guys know that. You've seen enough of my videos. You know how to do it. It's like making a pizza. You'll get your hands dirty, though. Wear gloves. Okay. Like what I see. Very disappointed in the concrete, though. You know it's the summertime. I think we all know by now that it's not a good time to put seeds down. It's very hot. I don't know about a watering schedule. We'll see about that. One more coat for the steps, and we should be in the clear. You know the motto. Take care of your families. Take care of your bodies. Take care of your lawns, too. Bye.